children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello friends. Hello friends. Today we are going to learn the concept of these sight words in, out and into.
In, into, and out.
Yes. In. I-N. In. Let us say it together. I-N. In. Into. I-N-T-O. Into. Let us say it together. I-N-T-O. Into. Out. O-U-T. Out. Let us say it together. O-U-T. Out. To understand the concept of in, into and out, let us make a glass of lemonade.
Lemonade?
Yes. Here is the recipe for lemonade. Take out a bottle of cold water from the refrigerator. Take out a jar of sugar from the kitchen cabinet. Wow! There are so many lemons in the basket. Take out a lemon from the basket. Now pour in some water into your glass. Add a spoonful of sugar into your glass and mix it in. Now cut the lemon in half to make lemon juice. And finally squeeze half a lemon's juice into the glass. Drop a few ice cubes and some lemon slices into the glass. Time to serve the lemonade in a glass with ice cubes and lemon slices to your friends. Enjoy it with your friends. Isn't it refreshing? Hope you have understood the concept of in, into and out. So children, the difference between in and into is in shows position in one place and into shows a movement from one place to another. Let us see a few more examples. In. Little boy is bathing in the tub. There are 2 apples in the basket. Into. Kate was getting into her car when her mother called her. I saw the black cat jumping into the bin. Out. The teacher took out the pen from her purse. I saw the little birds peeping out from their nest. Thank you children. You all are wonderful learners. See you in our next episode, and before that, please
Like, subscribe and share the channel.
keep smiling and keep sharing. Till then, bye.
Bye friends.